The Psychology of Money. The book, The Psychology of Money, written by Morgan Housel, is a book on personal finance that focuses on the importance of psychology in handling money. Housel argues that our emotions and cognitive biases often lead us to make poor financial decisions, and it's important to understand how these factors work to make better decisions. The book is divided into 18 chapters, each exploring a different concept of the psychology of money. Housel uses stories and examples to illustrate his points and provides practical advice to help readers improve their money management. Why the psychology of money is important? The psychology of money is important because it plays a crucial role in our financial decisions. Our cognitive biases and emotions can lead us to make costly mistakes. For example, we might be prone to overspending or taking unnecessary financial risks. Understanding the psychology of money helps us make better financial decisions. By being aware of our cognitive biases, we can take steps to mitigate their impact. For instance, we can create a budget to control spending or invest in a diversified portfolio to reduce risk. Benefits of reading The Psychology of Money. The psychology of money can benefit anyone, regardless of their income level or financial experience. The book can help us improve our personal finances. By understanding how the psychology of money works, we can make better financial decisions that help us save money, pay off debts, and reach our financial goals. Avoid financial mistakes. Being aware of our cognitive biases allows us to take measures to mitigate their impact and avoid costly financial mistakes. Enhance our understanding of money. The psychology of money provides us with a deep insight into the nature of money and how it affects us. Chapter 1. Money is Emotion. In this chapter, Housel argues that money is more than just an economic tool. It's also a source of emotions such as happiness, anxiety, and fear. These emotions can lead us to make poor financial decisions, so it's important to be aware of them. Investment guidelines. Be aware of your emotions. Before making an investment decision, take a moment to consider how you feel. Are you excited, anxious, or scared? Recognizing your emotions can help you make more rational decisions. Don't invest with your heart. It's important to invest with your head, not with your heart. If you're investing in something because you like it, you're more likely to make poor decisions. Set financial goals. Having clear financial goals will help you stay focused and motivated. When you know what you want to achieve, you're more likely to make financial decisions that help you reach your goals. Chapter 2. Money is Relative. The value of money is relative. What is expensive for one person may be cheap for another. This is because the value of money is influenced by our experiences, expectations, and values. Investment guideline. Compare yourself to others carefully. It's easy to feel bad for not having as much money as other people. However, it's important to remember that the value of money is relative. What is a lot of money for one person may be little money for another. Focus on your own goals. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own financial goals. How much money do you need to retire? How much money do you need to pay for your children's education? When you focus on your own goals, you're more likely to make financial decisions that help you achieve them. Chapter 3. Money is Scarce. Money is a scarce resource. We never have enough to meet all our needs and desires. This leads us to make decisions about how to spend our money. Investment guideline. Set priorities. You can't have everything you want. It's important to set priorities and decide where you want to spend your money. Do you want to save for retirement? Do you want to pay off debt? Do you want to travel? When you set priorities, you're more likely to make financial decisions that help you reach your goals. Avoid impulsive spending. It's easy to spend money impulsively. However, it's important to take the time to think before spending. Do you really need that item? Can you wait until you have a bit more money? When you avoid impulsive spending, you're more likely to have more money to save or invest. Chapter 4. Money is Risky. Money is a risky asset. There's always the risk of losing money, whether due to inflation, recession, or investment. Investment guideline. Set a budget. A budget will help you control your expenses and avoid spending more money than you earn. Save for emergencies. It's important to have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This will help you avoid turning to loans or credit cards, which may have high interest rates. Invest for the long term. The stock market is volatile in the short term but has had positive returns in the long term. If you invest for the long term, you're more likely to overcome the investment risk. Chapter 5. Money is complex. Money is a complex concept. Many things influence our financial behavior, including our emotions, experiences, values, and goals. Investment guideline. Educate yourself about money. The more you know about money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn about money, such as books, articles, courses, and podcasts. Seek professional help. If you're unsure about how to invest your money, seek professional help. A financial advisor can assist you in developing an investment plan that fits your needs and goals. Chapter 6. Money is slow. Money is a slow asset. Changes in our income and expenses can take years to materialize. This means we should be patient with our personal finances. Investment guideline. Don't expect quick results. The stock market isn't a money-making machine. It's important to have patience and wait for the markets to regain their value. Reinvest your earnings. When you make money with your investments. Chapter 7. Money is social. Housel states that money is a social concept. Our financial decisions are influenced by the people around us, including friends, family, and coworkers. Investment guideline. Don't be swayed by others. It's easy to be influenced by others' advice, especially if they are people you admire or respect. However, it's important to make your own financial decisions based on your own goals and needs. Be a good example. If you want others to make good financial decisions, be a good example. Discuss your finances with others and share your advice. Chapter 8. Money is cultural. Our cultural values and beliefs influence our financial behavior. Investment guideline. Establish your own values. Don't assume that your financial values are the same as others. Take the time to think about what's important to you and how that relates to your money. Consider your culture. Your culture can influence your financial decisions, whether consciously or unconsciously. Take the time to think about how your culture affects your relationship with money. Chapter 9. Money is personal. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to personal finance. What works for one person may not work for another. Investment guideline. Find what works for you. Don't try to copy someone else's investment strategies. Take the time to learn about different investment strategies and find the one that best suits you. Be flexible. Your financial goals and circumstances may change over time. Be flexible with your investment plan and make adjustments as needed. Chapter 10. Money is mindset. Our mindset about money influences our financial decisions. Investment guideline. Change your mindset. If you have a negative mindset about money, you're more likely to make poor financial decisions. Try to shift your mindset to be more positive and optimistic. Focus on gains, not losses. It's easy to dwell on losses when investing. However, it's important to focus on long-term gains. Chapter 11. Money is habits. Our financial habits determine our long-term financial success. Investment guideline. Create good habits. Develop good financial habits like regularly saving money and investing for the long term. Break bad habits. If you have bad financial habits like overspending or impulsively investing, make an effort to break them. Chapter 12. Money is discipline. Discipline is necessary for making good financial decisions and reaching our goals. Investment guideline. Be disciplined. It's important to exercise discipline with your finances, even when it's challenging. Create a plan and stick to it. Establish a financial plan and be disciplined in following it. Chapter 13. Money is patience. Patience is necessary to achieve our long-term financial goals. Investment guideline. Don't expect quick results. The stock market isn't a money-making machine. It's important to have patience and wait for the markets to regain their value. Reinvest your earnings. When you make money with your investments, reinvest those earnings to continue growing your wealth. Chapter 14. Money is resilience. Housel says money is a concept of resilience. Resilience is necessary to overcome financial obstacles. Investment guideline. Don't give up. When facing a financial obstacle, don't give up. Find a way to overcome it. Learn from your mistakes. When you make a financial mistake, learn from it so you won't repeat it. Chapter 15. Money is happiness. Money can bring happiness, but it's not the sole source of happiness. There are many other things important to our happiness, like relationships, health, and purpose. Investment guideline. Don't expect money to make you happy. Money can help you achieve your goals, but it won't bring happiness on its own. Find other things that make you happy, such as relationships, health, and your purpose. Chapter 16. Money is legacy. We can use our money to leave a positive legacy in the world. Investment guideline. Invest in causes that matter to you. You can invest in companies or organizations that support causes important to you. Donate your money to charitable causes. You can donate your money to charitable organizations making a difference in the world. Leave a financial legacy. You can leave a financial legacy to your loved ones or to charitable causes. Chapter 17. Money is more than money. Money is more than just a simple economic tool. It is also a source of emotions, values, and experiences. Investment guideline. Don't overly focus on money. Money is important, but it's not the only thing of importance in life. Enjoy your money. You can enjoy your money without spending it all. Be grateful for your money. Be thankful for the money you have and use your money to do good in the world. Conclusion. The book, The Psychology of Money, is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their personal finances. The book provides us with a deep understanding of how money psychology works and offers practical advice to help us make better financial decisions. The investment tips presented in this summary are designed to assist you in reaching your long-term financial goals. However, it's essential to note that the stock market is volatile, and there is a risk of losing money when investing. Therefore, researching before investing and diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk is important. Thank you for joining this exploration of the psychology of money. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards change. Now, I invite you to share in the comments which lesson impacted you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on financial education and personal development. Together, we'll build a path to financial freedom. See you in the next video.